You can make a pillow cover without a zipper, and it even has a hidden pocket-style overlap that keeps the pillow from slipping out. Start with one square piece of fabric. For the second piece, trim off one corner, then add binding along that edge for a clean finish. Do the same thing with the third piece. So in total, you're working with 3 fabric pieces. Set the top and bottom layers aside for now. On the centerpiece, sew one straight stitch. Open it up, then run a hidden stitch about 1/16 of an inch from the edge to keep everything neat and flat. Flip the fabric over to the inside, fold it in, and stitch again to lock that fold in place. Now place the first fabric piece on the bottom and lay the stitched piece on top of it. Sew along 3 sides to secure the layers together. Next, place the last fabric piece on top and stitch down both sides, leaving one side open so you can turn the cover inside out. Once it's turned, smooth everything out and flatten the corners. Then just slide your pillow insert straight in through the opening. Flip the overlap back into place, and you're done. No zipper needed. Your pillow stays right where it should. Simple, clean, and super clever.